Open your project and add your clips like this. Make sure to add one group with one of the background pictures at the start, and then the second picture. Edit the group with the first photo, and then add 2 beats for 2 messages. And on the beats, add your 2 message PNGs. Now add a text and type in the name. Go to color and select a dark gray color. And then adjust your font. Then adjust the position of the text. Now duplicate the text, and then type out your message. And edit the color and make it a brighter gray. Now, press and hold one of the texts and put it on top of the PNG and click Create New Group. And then drag the second text inside and click Add to Group. Now zoom this out and place it in the middle bottom like this. Now duplicate the group and adjust its duration so that it starts at the second beat. Now move it up. Then edit the group and adjust the text. Now go to the start of the entire photo and add a text, and then type in a time. Adjust your font and the position. Now add another text and type in a date. Then adjust the font and the position of the text. And now adjust the size of the messages. And go to Keyframe, Transform, and make sure the scale is the same for both groups. Now go to the group and the first message, go to Keyframe, and add move keys at the start and middle. On the first keyframe, move your message down. And in between, add this graph. Copy the graph. And now add opacity keys in the same places. And on the first keyframe, make sure it's 0. And now paste the graph. Now move the second message underneath the first one. And go to Keyframe and add position keys at the start and end of the second group. And at the start, move your message down Then paste the graph. Now add opacity keys at the start and end. And at the start, make it 0. Now paste the graph again. Now at the start of the entire project, add a parent and select every layer. Click on the check mark. And now go to Keyframe, Transform, and add Scale and Position keys at the start and second beat. The second beat is where the second message starts. And on the second keyframe, zoom in your clip and position it. The first text is in the middle. Go in between and add this graph. Then copy it for later and paste it into scale. Now add another parent layer and select parent layer. Click on the check mark. And now add position keys from first beat and end. The first beat is where the first message starts. On the second keyframe, move your layer up to the second message. And in between, paste this graph. Click on Done. Now go to the groove and add position keyframes on the second beat and end. Then at the end, move your layer up a little bit. Then add this graph. Now scroll down and check the middle in the mirror. Now go to Effect and add Color Overlay. Make sure the color is white. Then add opacity keys on the second beat and end. On the first keyframe, make the opacity 0. And on the second one, it's optional. Then add this graph. Now go to the second photo and duplicate it. Now go to Keyframe, add Effect, and add Color Overlay. Now select the white color. Now add Shape Mask. Scroll down and find the heart shape. And then switch on the inverse. Now go to Scale and add keyframes at the start and end of the photo. At the end, increase it. And at the start, decrease it. And then add this graph. Now go to the photo on the bottom, go to Keyframe, add Motion Tile. Then click on Center and add keyframes at the start and end. At the start, move your layer down. Make sure the X is set to 365. And then add this graph. And lastly, add a text and type out whatever you want. And then adjust your font. Now go to Keyframe, Transform, and scroll down until you find Anchor. Make sure the anchor point is set like this, at the top of the text box. Then go to Position, and now add rotation keys at the start and end of the text. And at the start, rotate it up. And then add this graph. Now, just group the 3 remaining layers together, and you can add your effects.